The reputation, respect and power for which mom has shattered so many lives. We will snatch that reputation away from her. We will paralyze her.
You and Roma are no different, Virat. What is the guarantee that you won't deceive me the way you did Roma? After all, you are her son.
Come on, Prithvi. What is left for you to lose anyway? You're finished, over. At least I'm giving you a chance to avenge for what you have lost now. Instead, you're doubting me?
What proof do you have that Roma killed my daughter?
Who else, apart from her, can do that?
It's your imagination. You don't have any proof.
Mom is very cunning. She has again trapped you in her sweet talks. What has she done, huh? What has she done that you even forgot your daughter's death? You're amazing, Prithvi. She took your daughter away from you. She killed and buried your daughter, then too you are praising her. Listen, Prithvi. I'll snatch away everything from Roma Raichand. You can support me in this, or you can go to the devil.
Arohi. Arohi! Arohi!
Deep might not say it directly, but the pain in his voice is making it clear.
Arohi!
He is lying. To himself and to me. But I won't lose courage. The game you played with me, I'll also play the same game with you. I'll wait as long as you yourself don't confess that you love me. I know you will say this. The way you had cheated me in love, I'll also cheat you in love the same way. But before that, I'll make you reveal my Riddhi's whereabouts.
Prithvi is indeed a fool. He fell prey to mom's trap again. If he would have supported me, then it would have been easier to destroy Roma Raichand.
You were right, Virat. Nothing is more important for Roma Raichand than her name and her money. She doesn't love anyone except her name and her money. My revenge will be fulfilled if I snatch away all this from her. But I have a condition.
What condition?
I want yours and your corpse help in finding my daughter's corpse. There was no one else in my life except Vedika. I couldn't have given her a better life, but now I don't want her death to be like that of an orphan. I want to carry out her last rites with all the honors.
I will help you in finding your daughter's corpse.
I thank you all wholeheartedly. You all have helped me a lot.
Chavani is like a younger brother to us.
He has saved us many times from landing up in jail.
We are ready to do anything for him and his sister.
But are Chavani and Nikku safe and sound?
Yes, they are out of danger. As per your instructions, we are getting them both an admission in a school at Panchgani. We'll take your leave.
Hold on. I have one more work for you before you all leave.
Just order us.
Help Deep in reaching me.
Consider that to be done. Mister, do you have a mobile phone? A girl is lying unconscious over there.
Girl? Where?
Over there.
Come on. Arohi? Arohi? Arohi, open your eyes. Arohi? Arohi, open your eyes.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. I know nothing about Niku. Don't hit me.
Arohi, it's me, Deep.
Deep, those people tortured me so much. They beat me up badly. They were asking me about Niku's whereabouts. I gave them the wrong address, then they threw me here and left. Deep,
I'll kill all of them. And if I don't feed their corpses to vultures, then I'm not a man of my word.
they might come here, Deep. Let's get out of here. Let's go, please.
What happened?
My leg, Deep. Deep.
If you've injured your foot, then just sit quietly. Why did you get up?
I am feeling much better than before. It's not hurting anymore.
Okay, you be right here. I'll go and check if we can get out of here or not. It's possible that they might have gone to the address given by you and come back. That's because they won't find Niku there.
What's happening to me? Why is my heart beating so fast? This is the same feeling that I experienced after I met Deep at Shimla.
Tell me, Arohi.
I have fallen in love with you.
I haven't betrayed you, Tara. The work for which I pretended to be in love with Arohi. I married her. I feel my love for her. The work for which I hatched this entire plan. Do you really think I'll leave that work incomplete? This is what I am. I am Deep Raichand. I will kill all of them. And if I don't feed their corpses to vultures, then I'm not a man of my word.
Deep can never change. He was a sinner and will always remain one. He will surely be punished. Riddhi? Riddhi?
Arohi, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, Riddhi. I can hear you, Riddhi. Where are you?
There's a bridge and a red telephone booth.
But... hello? Riddhi? It got disconnected again. Bridge? Riddhi is near which bridge? How do I find out? Yes, she had called a few days ago. She was trying to tell me something, but what was it? Hello, Riddhi? Where are you?
Why don't you come to save me? I have no idea where Niku is. We have to find him as well. My Niku.
Don't worry about Niku. Niku is perfectly fine and is safe with me. Nothing's wrong with him. Riddhi, please tell me, where are you? Tell me, I'll come to save you. But tell me the name of the place. Where are you? Riddhi, I can't hear you. What? Hello? Riddhi? Something with L. London Bridge. That means Riddhi is in London. But How did she get there? Who took her to London? I need to get her from there. I have to do something and go to London. Yes, I'll kill two birds with one stone now. By going to London, my revenge will be completed. And I'll find Riddhi as well.
Arohi, let's get out of here. Those people are not around. We can leave.
Where will you go, Deep? In the same world where nobody loves you? There's no use of going there, Deep, because no one treats you as their own. Forget that life, Deep. Come with me. We'll go far away, very far. You are thinking about Tara and Roma, right? For how long will you think about everyone? They are not your family. Think about yourself and your happiness, Deep.
Arohi, what I did with you was very wrong. But I don't regret about all of that because whatever I did was for the welfare of my family. I did it to save them. But I am surprised because of the fact that I have always wronged you, cheated you, inflicted pain on you, but you never gave up your hope to live. When I lost my child, I felt as if I should die. I had no reason to live, but you taught me that you should always have a reason to live. That a person should face any situation head on. A human should remain a human. But now I will try my best to think about myself. I'll think about my own life. I'll do something for myself.
Love and destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.